The jelly Jew's ear or wood ear mushroom is a fantastic beginner's fungi. It is easy to identify and grows all year round, but is more commonly found in the colder, wetter months. They grow on dead wood, so keep a close eye on those large fallen logs that have been left to rot. Elder, elm and sycamore logs are your best bet, but they can be found on many kinds of wood. A good idea is to find a living elder tree or a few trees together and look around these trees for fallen logs or fallen trees that may have been left to rot. On the rotted elder wood, you can often find these little brown ear-shaped mushrooms. The jelly ears have a velvety top, a smooth underside, and a jelly-like texture in wet conditions, but if it's been dry, they will be rock hard. The jelly ear always grows cup side facing down. They are a reddish-brown colour and can grow up to 10 centimetres. If you're lucky enough to find these delicious mushrooms, you can wash them and cook them fresh or dry them and use them later. Add them into soups, stews and casseroles. They're quite popular in the Far East where they're commonly cultivated, so they also taste great added to stir fries and that kind of thing. Some people claim the jelly ear mushrooms have medicinal benefits for the ear, head and throat. Others say they're a good immune booster, cancer killer and blood thinner. Many mushrooms have been shown to help with radiation sickness. Jelly ear is included in this claim. I have done no research into these claims and I am not a medical professional. Please feel free to research further if they are of interest to you.
Wander with me where the wild things hide, where mushrooms pop and secrets collide. We'll hunt for greens and hedgerow halls and chase down berries when autumn calls. From forest floor to stony shore, each step reveals a little more. Grab your coat, 'cause it's the hour. With foraging know-how, we'll empower.